Hi dear students, hope you are well. Today I'm going to continue lesson 6 and we will cover pages between 158 and to 160. The topic is the mole and chemical formulate. Mole is a standard scientific unit which can be used for measuring a large quantity of very small particle like atom. Okay, if we want to count the number of atoms or other small particle like molecule, we can use mole. uh, 1 mole of any substance is equal with same number of atoms. Okay, the number of atom is 6.02 times 10 power 23, which was first discovered by Avogadro. Avogadro is an Italian chemist, so that's why we called Avogadro constant. That means this number is constant, is fixed as 1 mole of any substance. If we have 1 mole of any substance, that means we have 6.02 times 10 power 23 number of atoms we have in 1 mole. There is one example like for carbon. Carbon, the mass number is 12. That means each 12 gram of carbon we have 1 mole. Okay, so if we like any other elements, mass number can be same with the gram and it's equal with 1 mole. For example, if oxygen is 16, that means 16 gram of the oxygen is 1 mole. As we said, 1 mole is equal with a constant number 6.022 times 10 power 23 number of atom. This table is important. You can find it in your book. I mentioned about carbon, like iron is another example, which is Fe, and relative mass number is 56. That means each 56 gram is 1 mole, and 1 mole is equal with 6.202 times 10 power 23 iron atoms. Here we have atoms. Hydrogen gas is a molecule, okay, is H2. So relative mass number is 2. Each hydrogen has 1, and we have 2 hydrogen is 2 totally. That means 2 gram is equal with the Avogadro constant. Okay, but here is molecule, but previous one is atoms. Okay, so here that means we have this amount of molecule in 2 gram hydrogen gas. And another one like oxygen or water. Water is a combination of oxygen and hydrogen. Totally it has 18 mass, relative formula mass. That means each 18 gram of the water we have this number of molecule water. Okay, so this is a relationship between a formula. If we have a formula, we can measure the relative formula mass that we learned in previous section, and this number can be considered as a gram, like each 18 gram, and each gram of molecule or atom is equal with a constant number of atoms or molecules. And This equation is very important. Try to uh, memorize and keep in your mind. N equal W over M. So N is a number of mole. Okay, in this way we are going to calculate any relationship which is involved with the mole, like a number of here, like number of moles is N, weight of substance is W, and molar mass of substance is M. Okay, N equal W divide to M. Okay, this is very simple. Your book try to use this pyramid, but I'm not actually interested with this pyramid. Maybe you feel more comfortable with pyramid. If you want to learn more, you can refer to the book, but this is uh, extra information. Is up to you if you want to learn, but this is very simple way. N equal Wm. Okay, only this. So look at the question. How many moles are there in 60 gram of sodium hydroxide? Uh, as we know, uh, the formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Okay. Um, Previous time we learned how to count the molar mass. This is molar mass M. Okay, is here. So molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 23, which is sodium, is mass number of sodium, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1. Totally is 40. 40 gram per mole is molar mass, and we learn how to calculate. So the question is, we have the question is how many moles? That means this one. This is the question. We are looking for number of moles. The question asks us how many moles. So we have this M. We can calculate it as we learned previously. And W, weight of substance, the question gave us here 60 gram. We need only to replace in here in the question 16 gram, as we are following the equation, number of moles equal mass and molar mass Wm. So we put 60 here and 40 that we calculated. If we divide 60 to 40, the answer is 1.5. Another example, I'm following your book here. Another example from your book. What is the mass of 0.5 mole of copper 2 sulfate crystals? So we have mass here. No, this is a number of mole. Okay, we got a number of mole here. We are looking for mass. Okay, this one, weight of substance W. um, as we learned before, we can calculate the molar mass of copper 2 sulfate is 250. Okay, 250 gram per mole. This is the unit of molar mass, this one. And so okay, we have this number, and the question gave us 0.5 mole, the number of mole. Okay, and we are looking for the mass, weight of substance, this one. Okay, mass, molar mass we calculated. We are looking for mass. This is number of mole that question gave us. The number of mass is 0.5 moles equal with mass must be divided to 250 gram per mole. So mass is the thing we are looking for. These two can be multiplied to each other. Okay, so 0.5 multiplied to 250, the answer is 125 gram. Okay, this is easy. One part you can calculate from the previous session, molar mass we can calculate, and one of these two can be given by question, and another one is the thing we are looking for. Okay, either we can divide like previous one, we had these two and we divided to find the number of mole. If the question gave you the number of mole and one of these is of course mass is uh, the question, I mean the thing we are looking, so we need to multiply this one. These are here is the question I give you, and you need to think about it. Uh, and please give answer to this question and submit as your task in Google Classroom. Hope you are staying safe. Thank you so much.